Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Artifacts double box break number 14. Here's the last sample for auction. There's Edmonton. So remember, the first box is NE200149416. That's NE200149416. And on the second box, it's NE200153522. That's NE200153522. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got a rookie jersey patch card of Nick Petrecki for the Sharks. 56 out of 75. Autofax hit at Matthew Halschuk for the Predators. Got a Thunder Tandems dual jersey of Magnus PRV and Linus Ullmark for the Oilers. Rookie for the Wild of Jonas Brodin. 939 out of 999. Short print base, 161 out of 999 of Al Belfour for the Leafs. Rookie of Mark Bisk for the Sabres. 800 out of 999. Team Canada, Corey Perry, 760 out of 999 for the Ducks. We have a rookie redemption for the Coyotes. Treasure Swatches jersey of Zdeno Chara for the Bruins. And the last pack is the first box. Got a gold rookie of Corey Conacher for the Senators. Is 16 out of 25. Nice hit for Ottawa. Short print rookie. Got a nice hit here. Short print gold, 8 of 9. Dual patch card of Mark Stahl for the Rangers. Nice hit. Nice, both 3-color patches. Rookie for the Sabres and Mikhail Grigorenko. 162 out of 999. Short base, 347 out of 999 of Matt Belfour for the Leafs. Got a rookie redemption wild card. It's randomized at the end between everybody. RED 239. Treasure Swatches jersey of Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. Short base, 96 out of 99 of Bill Ranford for the Bruins. Team Canada, 898 of 999 of Cody Goloubov for the Blue Jackets. Rookie of Jared Stahl for the Hurricanes. 196 out of 999. Autofacts of Cal O'Reilly for the Penguins. And the last pack. Got a dual jersey of Jeff Carter and Mike Richards for the Kings. And there we go. So it's got that one random to do. Give me 1 second. Here we go, all 30 teams are in here. Randomize the list 3 times, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. There's 3 times. That card goes to the Avalanche. You got the rookie redemption wild card. So thank you very much again everybody for watching. Hope to see you again next time.